Let's now talk about the national capital, Delhi, and see what India Today Access My India exit poll survey suggests for the national capital of Delhi. But before we move on to that, let's talk about the numbers from 2019. In 2019, the BJP swept the state of Delhi, winning all 7 seats. With the Congress and AAP not opening their account, Delhi saw a triangular contest between the BJP, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. However, the same electorate gave the AAP 62 out of 70 assembly seats with a 53.6% vote share in the very next year in the assembly polls. In the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the Congress has joined hands with the Aam Aadmi Party as part of the India Alliance to wage a war against the BJP, with Congress contesting from 3 seats, which are Chandni Chowk, Northwest and Northeast Delhi, while AAP gets 4 seats, West, East, South and New Delhi. BJP is contesting on all 7 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party recently faced a setback when their Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was arrested on charges of corruption in the liquor scandal where he allegedly took kickbacks. Granting him a 21-day release after being jailed for 50 days, the Supreme Court asked the Delhi Chief Minister to surrender himself on June 2. June 2, it's just a day after the 7th phase Lok Sabha elections get over. The Apex Court has allowed him this relief only to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. Now, how will this affect polls in the national capital is something we have to wait and watch. But now let's take a look at what India Today Access My India exit poll says for the state of Delhi. As per the survey, BJP is expected to win 6 to 7 seats. Now, if the BJP wins 6, that will be a drop from the previous year's 7 seats. It's possible that, as per the survey, it's possible that the India Alliance, which contains Congress and AAP, it could win 1 seat. So, as per the survey, it suggests that Congress could win 0 to 1 or AAP could win 0 to 1. So, it's even after the Delhi Chief Minister was arrested in the liquor scandal, it turns out that India Alliance has a chance of winning 1 seat. Now, this will be big for the India Alliance because in the last 2 elections, the BJP swept the state of Delhi. The Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party turned his arrest into a campaign in itself, where it alleged that the Bharatiya Janata Party, led by Prime Minister Modi, is attacking all the leaders of opposition parties. What happens in the state of Delhi is something that we have to wait and watch. Keep watching India Today Access My India exit poll for the most accurate predictions. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, so South.